We have this moment where we try not to compare our work with other people, but we can't help ourselves. And do you ever just wonder how they manage to get such shallow depth of field while maintaining a close up image that's perfectly sharp? Well, it's not magic, it's focus stacking. One of the big things about focus stacking is it is the ability to basically superimpose multiple shots in one final sharp image. So you quite literally set your tripod up, you make sure that you're in manual focus and you're in manual mode because you need to make sure that your exposure is the same on each one. So you need it to be a relatively stable environment. So it's no good if you're in Britain and outside because you ain't got open hell. Shifting is commonplace. And then you basically take a shot with it focused here and then here and then here and then here, and then you combine them all together and you get this. Now, the biggest reason to do this is if you're doing a close-up shot or a traditional macro shot of something like food, you're doing something like jewellery or crafts, or you want to get out there with nature because, let's face it, spring is coming. It enables you to get a great deal of texture and detail, which is obviously great, but obviously it's not ideal for moving subjects. So the hardest part about this is actually when you're all done and dusted and you're back into your PJs and you're all snug and you're ready to do your edit. You're going to pop them all into something like Photoshop, Affinity Photo. It doesn't really matter which one you pick as long as they have layers. And you're going to stack and you're going to blend them. Now, obviously, this is just about masking out certain parts and being able to make sure that you refine the layer masks with a soft brush and being able to fine tune any bits that you want to do, flatten the image and obviously export it. You've got a super sharp image with the ability to think that it's a shallow depth of field, but it's not. So is this something you consider using, or is this just too much effort? Which do you prefer, a deeper depth of field or focus stacking? Or make sure that you like so that I know that you want more of this content. And until next time, happy clicking.